Best natural remedies for stomach pain. Everyone experiences an upset stomach and indigestion or dyspepsia from time to time after eating or drinking. The condition is usually no cause for concern and it is often possible to treat the symptom using home remedies. Common symptoms of an upset stomach include heartburn, acid reflux, nausea or bloating, etc. Drinking water. The body needs water to digest and absorb nutrients from foods and beverages effectively. Being dehydrated makes digestion more difficult and less effective, which increases the likelihood of an upset stomach. For those with digestive issues, it is imperative to stay hydrated. Ginger. Ginger is a common natural remedy for an upset stomach and indigestion. Ginger contains chemicals like gingerols and sugars that can help speed up stomach contractions. This may move foods that are causing indigestion through the stomach more quickly. Mint. Raw and cooked mint leaves are both suitable for consumption. Traditionally, people often boil mint leaves with cordium to make a tea. It is also possible to powder or juice mint leaves and mix them with other teas, beverages, or foods. Cinnamon. Cinnamon contains several antioxidants that may help ease digestion and reduce the risk of irritation and damage in the digestive tract. Other substances in cinnamon may help to reduce gas, bloating, cramping, and belching. They may also help to neutralize stomach acidity to reduce heartburn and indigestion. Cloves. Cloves contain substances that may help to reduce gas in the stomach and increase gastric secretion. This can speed up slow digestion, which may reduce pressure and cramping. Cloves may also help to reduce nausea and vomiting.